Fine. What do you think is the coolest thing in a Cybertruck?
The thing I just showed her.
Well, do it. Do what?
No,
It's a different
fine.
window. Bro, so do it. And also, where is
And
it?
then you could also do.
Make people fart.
And then
There's some
right
games.
here you could play car games, whatever that. And I also like about the Cybertruck the lights here. The lights are pretty cool, and you can change it. Oh yeah.
What is this?
And then I like these games.
How do you get out of the game?
There you go. And then I also
Don't touch the screen.
my
This is my car.
gosh. Wow.
Food.
Are you?
Please subscribe.